Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Suburban. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control magnetic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, running boards, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, leather trim seats, wireless charging station, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, front, center, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touchscreen display, heads-up display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition.